I've got a simple table here showing me the revenue we had across each of our different countries. But what if I had a country in my model where we didn't actually sell anything? It wouldn't show up here by default, and we're only showing ones where there were sales made. If I want to change that and actually show countries where there was no data, I just have an option here by clicking on the country in the field list, the field well rather, and then I can choose to show items with no data. And I can see that we've got Germany in our country list, but there was no revenue associated with it. That also applies, when I turn this on, it applies for any of the fields that were used in my field well here. So if I put state into here as well, you can see that in the USA, we sold things in most states. In France, we had sales in the Ile-de-France in Paris. There were sales in the Central Mexico district. But as I scroll down, you'll see there were a number of states in Canada that didn't have any sales. There are a number of states in France that didn't have any sales, and a number of places in Germany, obviously, that didn't have any sales. We saw that there weren't any sales across the whole of Germany. So those show up now as blanks across that whole list of countries and states. So it's important to remember, maybe there's spaces in your model and you want to actually see where you didn't have any sales or you didn't have any revenue. And you can use this show items with no data option to turn that on so you can see all those blank areas as well.